getting there.
Almost.
Okay.
150. Little bit more.
Hello universe! Maria here again. This time I wanna take you for a ride in the second tallest Ferris wheel in the whole world, the Singapore Flyer. Come on guys, subscribe na po para makasakay. Salamat!
wonder
We're
if it's
in
bigger.
Singapore. We're gonna be in that capsule. One of this capsule. It's called Singapore Flyer?
Yeah.
Singapore Flyer.
It's a huge Ferris wheel.
I didn't expect we're gonna be in this Ferris wheel. I only see this from the distance.
The tram cars each hold 28 passengers.
28 passengers each capsule. And then it takes 30 minutes to... What? Babe, help!
I don't remember how many minutes it
30.
takes.
30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes in one round. Right?
Yeah, revolution, I guess.
30 minutes each revolution. Oh my god. We're in the capsule.
Oh, she's saying something?
Are you scared?
Nope.
28 capsules. Each can hold up to 28 guests. That means there can be a maximum of 784 people riding the Singapore Flyer at one time. One full rotation takes approximately 30 minutes. Moving at 0.24 meters per second or 14.4 meters per minute. On a clear day, you'll be able to catch sights as far as 45 kilometers all around, leading up to Batam and Johor Bahru. The best part? A bird's eye view of the Singapore Formula One night race live in action.
Yeah, that would be cool on night race.
Please.
We're on the top now. Our ship. Where's our ship? Our ship. I don't know where's our ship. Oh, there's our ship there. Out there. And that building there, that's like that. That's where the, I think, yeah, the Agent 47 movie. That's where it was shoot. Look. Hello, Singapore. When we first got in the capsule, everybody were just sitting because we're still scared. Now everybody's standing. Ta-da! We conquer our fear. Ta-da! Ta-da! We will be in this capsule for 30 minutes. Georgie! There's the Marina Base. That's the Marina Base. That's where we're gonna be staying tomorrow. Hello, Marina Base. I'm so excited to be with you.
That's a race. Oh my god.
Look at the people. They look like ants.
I hope so. I hope so.
For a flight, 155.
It You like
Almost
what
at the top.
but the thing was, yeah, these are the ones right there. She,
Oh, there.
Yes,
Yeah.
those are the ones.
So they light up at
Yeah,
night.
yeah.
They start cleaning up.
Oh my god, we're at the top now.
We're getting there.
Almost.
Okay, check this.
150. Little bit more. I'll be there.
Take some beds. You
Yeah.
have to check and see some beds in order to see.
Put that on this power.
You can hear the wind.
I know, yeah, Serrano. Those are, yeah.
Oh, the wind. Those are all cargo ships. Oh, we're in the top now, babe. Georgie.
Yeah, we are at the tippy top. It's a spectacular view, I'll tell you that. Look at the cranes all over this city. Everything's under construction. This shipyard is stuffed.
Oh my god, the wind is whistling. It would be nice to be up on top of this thing and then the light show is starting.
Yeah. See those grandstands looking at that bay area
Yeah.
there between here and here. I think that's where the light show is.
That's our ship.
Yeah, sure is. Look at, remember all those cars were on that lot? They're all gone.
Thank you so much for riding with me guys. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo at sana po mag-subscribe kayo at bigyan niyo po ako ng thumbs up. Chika na tayo guys sa comment. Bye-bye!